The toughest sections in all of motocross, and Reed handles it best. He's looking to make a move. Villopoto's going to fight back around the outside, but Chad Reed takes the #1 spot.
Boy, is Chad Reed rested and recovered after that vacation and a weekend off. He is fired up here in the number 22.
Oh! Reed launches! We got trouble!
Too much.
Are you kidding me? Chad Reed is back on the motorcycle?
Wow.
How can this be? That bike has got to be bent. How is he not hurt? He must have been 20, 30 feet up in the air, Jeff.
See his team manager, Dave Osman, there. They were taking a look at it. It looks like the silencer, looked like the bars, everything was pretty clean.
Listen to the crowd.